Hello and welcome back to the training. So in this video, we will be creating yet another 10 links. Just like the last, we will start with the URL slides. We'll go through each and every one of the sites. So if there's any special caveats, I can walk you through that. But then we'll also do a 30-foot view of the Moz metrics so you can see the spam score. You can also see what kind of links are coming in, page authority, domain authority. So let's not waste any time. I'll give you a quick brief look at the URL slides. As you can see here, this is page 1, and then here's page 2. All right, so let's go through these. Let's go through these sites. The first one is google.com/bookmarks. As you can see, I went in here and I created one. Now, in all honesty, this is actually, I think they changed this. I believe this is a no follow. Right, it has a redirect in it, but I think that it's a good link to have it. They used to be follows. All right, so I've had this on the list for a long time, but needless to say, it's a really cool link. It's a bookmark page. So DA84 with a 7% at Code Academy. All right, not too bad of a link. Next, we have getsatisfaction.com/login. Let me see if maybe So it just looks like it's temporarily down with the DA87. Definitely worth bookmarking and coming back. Moving into lipperhay.com/en, the most comprehensive free SEO service. What's really cool about this is you can go ahead and sign up. This is what it looks like. All right. They're going to list the sites. All right. So definitely take a look at it. All right, we'll go ahead and save that in there. Okay, moving on to the next. So erygames.com, which is a DA76. It's a 1% spam score. So what you can do is sign up, and it is a relatively strong link with a low spam score. Moving into the next, which is billion7.com. So all you simply have to do here is go over here and sign up, validate, come back, and you scored yourself a DA21. Going on to the next, which is forum.maxthon.com, DA77. So with that being said, you will need to go ahead and sign in and or sign up. All right, this is what it looks like. And let's go ahead and move on. So next is the linksy.com/US, DA82. Now, what's really cool about this site is you can create a account, and then they have their own little forum or community is the word I'm looking for. So DA82, low spam score, definitely worth taking a look at. Next is weheartit.com. Now, weheartit.com is a DA77 with a 1% spam score. Now, on here, what you can do is you can go ahead and join, and this is exactly what the pages and links will look like. Give that a heart. Moving on to the next. So this is plurk.com/portal. Now, all you need to do here to get your plurk is go ahead and click on that button, sign up, and this is what it's going to look like. I really love this color combination. I'm simply going to save this just to take a look. I'm looking for new color combos to have for myself, and I love these, the pink with the off pink. But with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next training video. I'll see you then.